Welcome to Storytime English, where we enjoy stories and practice English at the same time. Today, the Great Wall of China, a fascinating and easy-to-understand story. Many, many years ago, in ancient China, emperors dreamed of protecting their vast empire from northern dangers. Thus, an ambitious idea was born: to build a wall that would stretch across mountains, rivers, and deserts. We are talking about the Great Wall of China. But this wall wasn't built all at once. It was constructed gradually over more than 2,000 years by different emperors and dynasties. Construction began in the 7th century BC, but it was during the Qin dynasty that existing walls were unified and expanded to form a continuous defensive line. Later, the wall was extended and reinforced, reaching a total length of over 21,000 kilometers, with an average height of 7 meters. Building the wall was extremely hard work. Thousands of people, including soldiers, peasants, and prisoners, labored for years under difficult conditions to erect this enormous structure. The materials used to build the wall depended on the location and resources available in each region. In the mountains, large and heavy stones were used. In flat areas, tamped earth was compacted in layers to form solid walls. In some areas, bricks made of clay and sand were also employed. To bind these materials, builders used a special mixture that included lime and glutinous rice. This mixture was very strong and helped the wall withstand the passage of time. The Great Wall not only served as a defense, it was also a means of communication. Watchtowers allowed for the sending of smoke signals during the day and fire at night to alert about possible invasions. Today, the Great Wall is a symbol of the perseverance and culture of the Chinese people. Millions of people visit it each year, marveling at its majesty and the history contained in each of its bricks. The Great Wall of China is not just a physical structure, but a living testament to the history, culture, and resilience of a nation that has managed to preserve its legacy over the centuries. One of the most poignant legends associated with the Great Wall is that of Meng Jiangnu. According to the story, her husband was forced to work on the wall's construction and died due to the harsh conditions. Meng Jiangnu traveled thousands of kilometers to find him, and upon learning of his death, she wept so bitterly that a section of the wall collapsed, revealing her husband's remains. This legend symbolizes the suffering of common people and has been passed down through generations. The Great Wall has inspired countless poems, songs, and artworks throughout Chinese history. For example, a poem by Wang Zhihuan during the Tang Dynasty expresses the vastness and beauty of the empire's borders. Additionally, the next phrase, "He who has never been to the Great Wall is not a true man," has become a proverb symbolizing perseverance and determination. The Great Wall of China is recognized as one of the 7 wonders of the medieval world and was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. Its construction represents an architectural feat and a testament to human ingenuity. Today, it continues to be a symbol of the spirit and resilience of the Chinese people. This fascinating story of the Great Wall of China not only speaks of an imposing structure, but also of the people, legends, and culture that surround it. It is a testament to the human spirit and the rich history of China. Did you know? The Great Wall of China is not only a marvel of engineering, but also a somber reminder of the immense human cost behind its construction. It's estimated that over 1 million laborers, including soldiers, peasants, and prisoners, toiled to build this colossal structure. Tragically, many lost their lives due to the harsh conditions, and some legends suggest that their bodies were buried within the wall itself, leading to its nickname as the longest cemetery on Earth. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Want to discover more mysteries of the world while improving your English? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell.